It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 5th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Mother Nature really turning up that thermostat today. Temperatures well above average and into the excessive heat category. That holds true for tomorrow as well. Humidity levels will be coming up this weekend, and that's bad news, but that also means, on the other side, temperatures are going down, and the chances of rain are coming up statewide as our monsoon season for 2018 looks to get underway in full swing by the end of the weekend and next week. All right, let's get out there and talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday for your 4th of July. 107 degrees was the high in the valley, 87 the low. We're now more than 2.5 inches behind where we should be on our rainfall. 116 days without measurable rain after today at Sky Harbor. And since August the 25th of last year, we've only had an inch of rain, and that is the driest 10-plus month period ever in Phoenix. So this drought continues. All right, outside right now here at 5 a.m. in the valley, mostly clear skies out there, just a few high clouds right now, 89 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 41, humidity 19%, light wind. Barometer is steady. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, mostly in the 80s and low 90s in some of the warmest spots. The upper air look, sprawling ridge across the country, and the old ring of fire will be developing over the next few days with our monsoon moisture picking up as we go forward. On the watch warning map, we have an air quality alert for the valley once again today. We also have our excessive heat warning in effect from 10 a.m. this morning through 9 p.m. this evening. Those extend to parts of southern and western Arizona, southern California, southern Nevada. Heat watches for the central valleys of California. Heat advisories in the nation's midsection extending east and northward toward New England. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe storms, parts of the Rockies, the Gulf Coast, around the Sabine Pass, eastward toward New Orleans, and for much of the Midwest and the Northeast. Rainfall for the next 7 days, the WPC forecast has around 1/4 to maybe 1/2 inch across parts of northern Arizona, and rainfall extending westward into southern Nevada, but they don't have anything for us here in the valley. But I have to tell you, I think we have a very legit chance of seeing some rain in here starting Sunday. And our chances will continue through much of next week as we enter a potentially active period here in the Southwest. Let's get into it now as we check out the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. Sprawling 597 heat dome across much of the central and western United States. Flow aloft, turning gradually southerly and southeasterly. But with that 597 contour right overhead down at the surface, well, you know what we're going to have today. Mostly sunny skies. Yes, a few high clouds from time to time, but it's going to be hot. Highs 111 to 115. Tonight, partly cloudy skies. Lows mainly in the low 80s to low 90s. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny in the morning, some afternoon clouds. Highs 110 to 113. Isolated showers and thunderstorms developing over the high country of eastern Arizona. They'll try to push westward toward the south central deserts. Can't rule out some blowing dust, maybe some gusty winds trying to get into the East Valley tomorrow evening, but I just don't think so. The likelihood of that seems pretty small at this point. Saturday, a continued easterly flow, more moisture coming in, scattered showers and thunderstorms developing over the mountains, drifting toward the deserts. As they do, they'll fall apart, but could produce some gusty winds and blowing dust Saturday afternoon. Partly sunny skies, high temperatures mainly in the 107 to 110 bracket as the humidity continues to come up. All right, Sunday, the GFS continues to show an interesting scenario setting up. We've got an easterly wave propagating across northern Mexico. Deeper moisture coming in associated with that wave, and along the leading edge of that, developing some showers and thunderstorms Saturday night and into the early morning hours on Sunday. Precipitable water values are certainly very high at this point, coming up toward around 1.6 inches here in the valley. Higher amounts even further to the south and west, with PWATs around 1.8 inches in southwest Arizona. So we could see some showers and storms developing Sunday morning, but I think the better chance will be in the afternoon and evening on Sunday. Numerous showers and storms in the mountains, good easterly flow, so they'll be moving westward toward the deserts. And so I think this is our first legit chance of seeing some rain in here. Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, we'll say a 30% chance. It will be cooler with increased clouds and humidity too, highs 102 to 106. Monday, partly sunny. Chance of late afternoon showers and storms, highs around 101 to 104. Tuesday could be another active day. The GFS depicting scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms nearly statewide. High temperatures 100 to 104. And we continue with the same thing on Wednesday. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 12th of July. And the global models are really starting to latch on to an extremely active pattern out here with a ridge set up somewhere over the Great Basin, an easterly or northeasterly flow aloft. And that'll help to move showers and storms that develop up along the rim country south and westward toward the deserts in the afternoons and evenings. It also shows numerous disturbances swinging around this ridge. And so an active period does still appear to be likely for the latter half of next week. And temperatures are a little tricky to forecast as a result. We could be in the upper 90s to about 103. So yes, temperatures below average, but humidity levels way up, chances of rain way up. Let's go to the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, the 14th of July. Still, same setup. Ridging over the Great Basin, east-northeasterly flow aloft, bringing daily showers and storms from the mountains into the deserts. So an elevated chance of rain around here. All right, let's check the temperatures through the period coming off the GFS ensemble. Yes, it will be very hot today and tomorrow, but you see by next week, temperatures, especially the latter half, going below average. And some of the models suggest we could even be cooler than this. One or two of those days, we may not even make the century mark. We'll see. All right, that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe, stay cool out there. Please drink plenty of water, and you guys have yourselves a great Thursday.